Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Firstly, just locate Clock app, and when you find it, click on it. Then click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner and tap on this gear at the top right one. Over here you can adjust all of those alarm settings however you wish to, like snooze duration or ringtone duration. When you're ready, go back and create your alarm by tapping on this plus icon. Now set up an hour. When you're ready, you need to pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Then manage vibrations by tapping on this switcher next to vibrate and click on alarm sound. If you want to add music from your smartphone, scroll all the way down, tap on add ringtone, click on it over here and choose OK. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those instead, like buzzer. Then click on OK. Finally, you can tap on snooze and select how many minutes it will take. Then tap on OK. Last but not least, click on label and label your alarm however you want to. To save your label, click on OK. Now choose confirm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. If you want to get rid of it, you need to hold it and choose delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!